The Xi version of Basic Engineering Circuit Analysis by Dave Irwin and Mark Nelms now includes challenge activities. Challenge activities give instructors opportunities to assign questions to students for points for correct responses, and give students opportunities to practice with scaffolded and progressively more challenging questions. The challenge activities provide automatic grading and instant feedback to students. In one challenge activity, the student begins with a circuit and must complete the nodal analysis matrix equation with numeric answers. The XiBook provides immediate feedback on the student's answer, indicating if the answer is correct or not, with explanations of the methodology. An advantage over traditionally assigned and manually graded homework is that students receive feedback immediately rather than days later, so they can correct misconceptions right in the learning moment to learn better and faster. If the student's answer was incorrect, clicking on Next will present a new problem at that level with different values. The student can apply what was just learned from the feedback on the previous attempt. Once the student has answered correctly, the success is logged and the activity advances to the next level with a mesh analysis problem. Again, once the student answers correctly, the activity goes to third and fourth levels with more complex circuits, so students have a scaffolded experience. A student will receive points for the challenge activity once the student has correctly answered a question at each level. Instructors always have access to the solutions and can use the challenge activities for in-class demonstrations in addition to assigning to students for points, since students will receive different values when they access the challenge activities. Participation in challenge activities can also be used as part of in-class activities for students to discuss or solve in teams, with each student having to apply a solution to the challenge activity since each student will receive different values. Instructors and students can view and interact with the challenge activities as they work through the textbook and can navigate directly to particular content types through Content Explorer for demonstration or review, and can filter to focus on particular kinds of activities. Instructors can see reporting about student interactions with the activities and can assign the activities to their students for points. Students receive points for a challenge activity after correctly completing a question at each level of the challenge activity. The Basic Engineering Circuit Analysis Xi version includes challenge activities for every chapter. An instructor can assign participation activities and challenge activities by section to fit the course. The Xi version makes it easy for instructors to assign participation activities and challenge activities for points directly within the textbook. Instructor assignments in the Xi version can help focus and incentivize student time and attention on homework, so students are more likely to come to class prepared, already engaged with the content. Talk to your XiBooks representative about getting access to evaluate the most recent Xi version of the Basic Engineering Circuit Analysis textbook by Dave Irwin and Mark Nelms that includes the challenge activities.